Edusoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to control servo motor using IR remote. For this experiment, we will require an Arduino UNO, an IR receiver, an IR remote, a servo motor, a breadboard, some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram of the project. So, let's start building. Step 1. Connect the IR sensor to the Arduino using jumper wires. Connect the GND and VCC pins to the negative and positive power rails and data pin to digital pin 2. Step 2. Connect servo motor to the Arduino using jumper wires. Connect the red and brown wires to the positive and negative power rails and the yellow wire to the digital pin 9. Step 3. Connect the positive power rail of the breadboard to the Arduino's 5-volt pin and negative power rail to the GND pin. Step 4. Connect the Arduino to the computer using the USB cable. The following is the sketch we are going to upload in the Arduino. You can download this sketch from the website shown here or from the description. Click on Upload to upload the code to the Arduino. Once uploaded, our project should look like this. Use the IR remote to control the servo motor.